Warm greetings to all innovators and entrepreneurs participating in the 4th Innovation and Entrepreneurship Summit of ShanghaiTech and the Shangjiang Science Center. My name is Banu Onaral. I'm the Hunsun Professor of Biomedical and Electrical Engineering and the founder of the Global Innovation Partnership Program at Drexel University. Our long-term partnership with ShanghaiTech is a highlight of our Global Innovation Partnership Program. I'm pleased that Jamie Mack, who directs our Global Innovation Partnership Program, has joined me to wish you all a memorable summit filled with exciting discoveries, breakthrough technologies, and much, much learning. Jamie, please.
Thank you, Dr. Honorable. I add my warm greetings from Philadelphia. My name is Jamie Mack. I am the Managing Director of the Global Innovation Partnership Program here in the School of Biomedical Engineering Science and Health Systems at Drexel University. The Global Innovation Partnership Program holds the overarching principle that science serves humanity, transcends boundaries, and thrives in world cultures. Our aim is to build trust bridges with international partners like ShanghaiTech by developing joint curricula, research programs, and various forums with colleagues around the globe. They all share our passion and join forces with us to work on life-saving solutions. Together, we shepherd new and innovative technologies to help solve the world's most pressing problems. I wish all of you a wonderful and fruitful summit. Turning it back to you, Dr. Arnold.
Thank you, Jamie. We are certainly fortunate to count ShanghaiTech as one of our key academic partners in China. To recap our recent joint work, we are delighted that our colleague Lin Han has offered joint seminar series on cellular and immune engineering in the last academic year. This is a first step toward our joint academic and innovation initiatives in this field. Our doctoral student, Prat Reddy, who is specializing in neuroengineering, plans to continue her PhD thesis research at the iHuman Institute this summer. It certainly was a pleasure to welcome students from ShanghaiTech in our global classroom on brain technology convergence this past summer. Perhaps more relevant to the summit, Jamie and I are delighted that 4 ShanghaiTech learners are currently enrolled in our medical technology innovation global classroom this term. They joined our concept to commercialization journey, and we hope to welcome others in the next and future terms. Coincidentally, this Thursday, November 4, we explored the medical technology innovation ecosystem in Shanghai with our colleague Jiwoo Zhang, founder of successful global medical device and digital health companies. We thank the summit organizers for giving us the opportunity to salute you today and congratulate them for convening this forward-thinking event. We wish you all a resounding success and cheer for your innovation and entrepreneurship roadshow all the way from Philadelphia. Thank you.